Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to change the audio pitch of your video here in Capcut. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's load up a project and let's add one into our timeline, and you can see we do have audio that has been attached to this. Now we do want to separate the audio, so I recommend doing right click and then going to extract audio until you can see it is separate below. Make sure we click this, then go to the very top right of your screen and click on Voice Changer. Once you've clicked on this, you want to look for two options, high and low. These will both change the pitch, and then from there we can change the intensity. So let's go for high. Okay, we click that, and you can see that has now been applied. So now we are playing, we can see it has applied a very high pitch. From here, we can then drag and drop on the pitch slider and change that pitch. There you go. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.